Hello, folks. This is Girish Rane, and today I'm going to share you how you can mark support and resistance for advanced price action. So this is a very simple process. If you know how to mark support and resistance, then your trading journey is almost 50% done. Yes. So एक बहुत ही simple process है जिसे आपको follow करना है. And this is going to be a bread and butter for the rest of your life if you follow well. So this support and resistance works for any chart, any currencies, any scripts. So why I'm showing you on this the gold because it's a good movement that I can see, and yes, you can do it in any currency. So right now the time is 12:42, which is the London Open. So London opens at 12:30. Okay. So if you want to know what time the market opens, so there is a website. The name of the website is Baby Pips. So you can just Google Baby Pips forex market hours, so you'll get to know. So this is the thing. Okay, so now it's London Open. As you can see, London Open 12:42. So this blue bar indicates that. So it's good for the people to know. You should at least uh, sit 1 hour or half an hour before the market opens, which is called as pre-market, right? So let's see how to mark support resistance uh, for advanced price action. So see, just imagine the chart is your friend or your girlfriend or your anyone whom you share or maybe feel free enough to talk with, right? So this is how you're going to do. So basically, you have to open this tradingview.com, and I've opened this XUSD chart. So first of all, what is the time frame that you need? So you can see I've just 15 minutes. I've just marked it, added to favorite. How to edit a favorite? You just hover around this time, and then you can see on the right hand side is add to favorite. You just click on it. So we use 15 minutes, not more, but yes, we will edit in this favorites. Then 30 minutes, most important, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily and weekly chart. So when you open the chart, specifically today is Monday, right? Nobody knows what direction the market can go, but if you click on the weekly time frame, okay, this is the weekly time frame. Let me just adjust it. Okay, so what do you do now? Okay, on weekly time frame, you just find out what is the current candle doing. So what does the current candle do? So this is a very small candle, right? Small candle. So what you are going to do is just mark the high and the low of the weekly time. Okay, and not just mark it, but try to understand what it is trying to do. Okay, those who know what is the range and uh, what is the liquidity week, what is the range week, then you will understand this. For this red candle which has closed previously, just wait, okay, for this red candle which has closed previously, I'm talking about a previous candle. So this has closed in the last week. This has been a bearish candle. Okay, now if you look at this, if you look at this current candle, which is the current week candle, now you can understand one thing. If you know the what the meaning of the liquidity week means, so the price this week might be, see, this is, we are not taking any strong decisions of buy and sell. We're just talking possibilities, because trading is all about anticipation. We anticipate the move. Okay, and the person who has the courage to anticipate wins in the market, right? So if you look at this, this is the wick down of the red candle or the bullish bearish candle. So this is the range week, as you know. The bottom week of the bearish candle is called range week. So now this candle, the existing candle might fill up this, might do some attempts to fill up this range of the previous bearish candle. Okay, so quite a bias of sell, but we don't know. Then we look at a daily time frame. Okay, then we look at a daily time frame, and now looking at the daily time frame, okay, fine. Then we can see, okay, whatever we have marked the high and low of the weekly candle is the same. So we also mark the high and low of the daily candle. Just adjust the previous lines. Okay, first we mark the high and low of the weekly candle and see if it is going might fill up the range and all those things. And on the daily time frame, same, we do mark the high and low. Then you go to the 4 hour time frame. Now on 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes, we look at the closest support and resistance. So what, when you call it a support, support is somewhere when there is a bearish momentum and there is a bullish candle forming. So it's a support. So you can see the closest support is this one, right? Okay. Or you can also say, now this is a support. Like many have a doubt here. Okay, can't it be a resistance here? Can't it be a resistance? Yes, it can also be a resistance. But now, in order to know that, what you have to do, you have to go to 1 hour time frame. Now you'll understand that the smaller time frames gives you a confirmation for support and resistance. So you go on 1 hour time frame. Now on 1 hour time frame, you know that the closest resistance for you is this one. Is this one. Now many have a question: why only this one and why not this one? See, whenever you mark support and resistance, you should also make sure if suppose the price breaks above this resistance, you should also look at the left hand side. Okay, you should also look at the left hand side here. Is it enough range for the price to travel after the breakout of this resistance? Is the question, right? Now you'll be like, okay, if I mark it here, if I you said the closest one, right? Yes, I said the closest one. But if you look at this on the left hand side, if the price breaks above this resistance, if above this resistance, now is this a clear enough range? No, the reason is that there's a rejection. This big wicks indicates the rejection. The price has been rejecting in this zone. So you don't want to take any buys whenever there's a rejection, right? So the best way of marking this a strong support or resistance, I must say, is this one, right? Now, what would be the support? Now you'll be like, fine, okay, this is not yet formed a support, so we'll wait if to find out whether there is any support on 30 minutes. So I went on 30 minutes. Now here you get a good support and resistance, right? So this is your support, and obviously just adjust it here. This is your resistance, right? So this is how you should do the breakdown, the weekly breakdown, and then you mark your support zones and resistance zones, right? So what do you mean by the support zone? So wherever the price is taking the support, this is a support line. Support zone indicates, okay, fine, you just not see the line, right? You also have to see the weeks, right? So you just consider a couple of weeks together. Like I've considered this week, I've considered these 2 weeks. I take just an average of it, right? It's a uh, it's a support zone, and the same way, likewise, we also mark the resistance zone, right? Now what is the strong bias? Ask yourself. Okay, on the weekly time frame, okay, on weekly time frame, we just came to a conclusion that this might fill the week, maybe a sell indication for that week. On a daily time frame, okay, fine, it is still a small candle to just consider, but we have a big daily candle which has been closing, right? Now on 4 hour we have marked support and resistance. Okay, then we couldn't find some support resistance on 4 hour strong ones, then we went on 1 hour, right? We went on 1 hour and we could not get a support here, so we went on 30 minutes to get a good support, and here this is it. Okay, so what would be the bias now? How, like, can you buy or sell is the question. So very simple. If you want to go for the sell, which is strong bias, then you will want a candle to break down, okay, and retest, and retest, and then go for the sell, right? Then go for the sell. So likewise in buy, like if you want the candle to break out, right, the candle to break out, retest for a while, and then take a buy. So this is a sell, this is a buy. So this is how you should talk to the chart, whether it is going to go, whether it's going to go in the direction. Like if you think that it is going to go up, maybe in bullish direction, so might be at this point, because there is a clear range, right? There is a clear range. So this might be the thing. And now you might be thinking that, okay, fine, there is no clear range now. There's nothing on the left hand side. But still, if it breaks this strong support, then high possibility the price might go down. As of now, let's wait and let's see. So this is how you should mark support resistance. Just practice it out, and don't take any entries. Wait how the support breaks. Sometimes you don't get a retest here. Okay, just let me hide this. You don't get a retest, right? You don't get a retest. The price breaks above this resistance and boom, it goes up. And you'll be like, okay, he said about the retest, right? How do I take over it? That will come with an experience, right? How you take this instant entries, right? How you take the instant without waiting for the retest. Okay, that will come with the time. You should just focus on just marking support and resistance. That's it. Don't worry about buying and selling. That is very easy. So do share this video to your teammates or whoever is doing learning price section, and show your love by just liking, commenting, and let me know how I can help you further. All the best.